Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use our universal setting powder and give tips on the best way to apply it. Our ultra fine translucent powder comes in one shade and it suits all skin tones. This product has been designed to absorb any oil in the skin, leaving you with a matte finish that lasts all day. The lightweight formula will give your skin a smooth, flawless finish, and not only will it mattify, it will also help blur out scars and uneven skin texture. We can't recommend enough pairing this product with our Peaches and Cream brush range. The soft hairs make it really easy to apply. I normally choose the brush size according to the amount of surface area I'm wanting to cover with the product. So to start with, I'm going to use Peachy 05 brush, which is the perfect shape and size to mattify the shape of my forehead. When loading the brush, pat the product with a little bit of pressure and disperse the product into the lid. And then it's really easy to apply the product. Simply press it lightly over the area that looks shiny until you're happy with the results. This product can be worn really light and natural, and it can be built up, and it's amazing for anyone with excessively oily skin. When working underneath the eyes, we normally use a smaller brush. Here I've got PC 27, and what we're going to do is we're going to tap this product really lightly over any of the areas that we might just want to really lightly mattify, so down the nose, under the cheeks and under the chin. The product comes in an 11-gram compact, and it's perfect to keep in your handbag for any touch-ups throughout the day that might be needed. We're so happy to say this product is also vegan and cruelty free. We hope that you love the product, and please let us know what you think.